Today we're building the Cadet PC for Officer Messer, a PC that's focused more for the RP community that wants a really good system without really breaking the bank.
In the Cadet, we have the motherboard B550 MATX board coming from MSI. We have a 5700X 8-core CPU, and we have 32 gigs of 3600 megahertz RAM and a 1 terabyte NVMe drive. Plenty of power, plenty of functioning on a budget, really. I mean, for $13.99, that's what the system's gonna go for. If you use code Messer, you're gonna get a little bit of money off that as well. It's a really killer little system right here. Let's get into the case. Let's get it all assigned. Let's take a look at this. See if we can get a little punk action. Oh, I heard that. I hope you all heard that around the world. There we go.